Good evening, everyone. Elrigu Namaskara. As we all know, South Indian cinema has been setting new benchmarks. They're not only being watched pan-India, but they're also being watched globally. And at a time like this, I think recognition of South Indian cinema is the most important. And Saima has been doing this since 14 years. And now it's become something that a common man recognizes an actor by. I've observed in so many events, actors are being introduced as a Saima awardee or a Saima nominee, and it has taken cinema to that level, and the entire cinema industry is very, very thankful to Saima for this. And I've been associated with Saima since so many years, whether it's performing, whether it's just to come and celebrate South Indian cinema, and I'm very excited to do it this year as well. So looking forward to it. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. Thank you so much, media, our audience, our panel. Very, very grateful to be here tonight. This evening is very, very special. Saima brings us all together with so much love, so much passion for films, for acting, for direction, for all the crafts of film. And before I get to how amazing Saima is, I just want to mention that being here today in Bangalore, in Karnataka, a huge shout out to all the love that I've received as a Telugu actress from this industry, because one of the sweetest bunch of people I've met are from the Kannadiga industry, and I've always seen so much enthusiasm and love from them. And thank you so much, Bangalore audience, Karnataka audience, the media over here. Thank you so much for the respect and love that you show. It's absolutely amazing. Honestly, there's only one reason why I've been exposed to such beautiful cultures from South India, and that is Saima. As soon as I entered the industry, one of the best things that happened to me was Saima. And as a newbie who's entering the industry, as a girl with no background from films, it is just everything that's right about the film industry. So thank you, Saima, for always keeping up with your promises of making it the most wonderful 2 days of our year, to make film such a big celebration and to make it worthwhile of our hard work and our love for films. Thank you so much, Nexa, for supporting all of this. And Brinda ma'am, Vishnu sir, I love you guys, and I know how hard you all work for this, and I'm absolutely in awe of your success, 14 years of hard work and growth. So thank you so much for bringing it again year after year. 12th and 13th September. I'm waiting, guys. I hope to see you all there. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಸಾಯಿಮಾ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ 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 ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗಲೇ ನಾನು notice ಮಾಡಿದೆ, I think it's my 14th year in the industry as well. So I think I'm as old as Saima, and Saima ಜೊತೆ ನನ್ನ ಜರ್ನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕೊಲಾಬೊರೇಷನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ it's the same amount of joy, same amount of love. The entire industry comes together and celebrates all the hard work done throughout the year, celebrates all the technical teams and the actors. So I think it's a great way, and more to go, so much more to go. Every year setting a different benchmark, and exceeding it every new year. It's phenomenal. Happy to be a part. Thank you again, Brinda. Thank you, Vishnu. And see you this year, see you next year, see you next year. Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಶಾನ್ವಿ.
ಕನ್ನಡದ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಉದ್ದೇಶಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿದೆ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೈಮಾದ ಗೌರವ ಹೆಚ್ಚಬಹುದು, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅದು.
Sir,
ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಳಸದೇ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ
Sir, they
ಕಾರಣ
are the logos of the brands, and the brand has to be seen and known.
ಸೈಮಾ
Saima, sir. Saima also is South Indian, no, sir. It's not a Kannada alone industry. So if I have to name Saima in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, 4 languages, then the logo won't be visible, sir.
ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಳಸಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆ.
Sir, okay. That's a mistake. Sorry. We'll replace that with Kannada next time. Made in South, celebrated globally, will be written in Kannada when we are doing in Kannada next time. Okay, sir?
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಮಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ?
Sir, we don't reveal that. In the last 14 years, we never revealed who is part of the committee, sir. It's a confidential thing because we don't want them to be influenced by others.
ಕನ್ನಡದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಬಂದಿವೆ ಸರ್?
Sir, the nominations are already announced, sir. I'll ask the team to give you the printout. Thank you, guys.
When I was sitting, I was looking at this nice branding actually. Made in South, celebrated globally. I think that speaks volumes, and that is what the Saima is all about. I think giving a platform to the young talent, the budding talents who are coming, at the same time giving them an opportunity to innovate. So God is with us. He is also giving us a nice breeze actually. So I think the South India cinema has to offer not only the entertainment but also it sets new milestones in the film industry. So before coming for the press conference, I was just having a talk with the panelists sitting here on this dais. We are talking about the Drishyam 3. Amazing story, amazing script, and the sir sitting in the center said, Partho, it is the power of the story which makes it more important. So sir, I totally agree with you what you said, and I was very impressed with the Drishyam 1 and 2. Looking forward to see the Drishyam 3 also. So our association with Saima has been due to, I think, the efforts of Vrindaji sitting here, and where is Vishnuji? I'm not able to see him actually. Sir, where are you? Good to see you, sir, on the dais. Having a glass of water or something else? Glass of water, okay. So I think these are the two pioneers, the architects for this concept, and to be very honest, we feel that Nexa as a brand is very, very proud to be associated with Saima because we both share the same values, and at the end of the day, innovation, bringing in an opportunity for the young talent is very important. And with this shared spirit of excellence, passion and connection, I am delighted to open the Saima 2026 Awards in this press conference and warmly welcome all of you to the exciting session. Thank you so much.
And the last time
Could you repeat whatever you said in English, please?
Yeah, sure. Last time Dunya Vijay sir has disappointed about the hospitality and what he have given to the Kannada film industry actors because there was no celebrities at the last. Okay, during whatever award has been that has been issued to all the celebrities like Bollywood, Tollywood, Collywood and Mollywood. And last award that was given to the Kannada celebrities. Why we are to the last, not to the first?
So to answer your question, I'll start with one thing. We are in the 14th edition. You think if we were disrespectful or we do not have equal representation for all the 4 South Indian industries, the 4 South Indian fraternity or the industries would support us and patronize us year on year if there was real dissatisfaction like how you're saying. See, in an event, it's very difficult to gauge how much time audience will be present there. It is, what do you mean by hospitality? We've not disrespected any star.
Means there was no rooms allotted to the Kannada celebrities.
I'm sorry?
There was no rooms allotted to the Kannada
No
celebrities.
rooms? Where did you get that from?
2024 at 2024.
I think you're confusing between Saima to some other event that happened. Okay, excuse me, let me speak. Sorry to come because I was handling the operations. I would know on ground what happened. Your first point is you're confused with some other award show. I don't want to name that award show.
No.
Once,
I'm very clear.
Ma'am, can you please? There is some other award show that happened in Goa. That's the award show that's problematic. There is one more award show that happened in Kerala. So there were problem with the rooms. If you are mentioning about Dunya Vijay sir, he stayed there for 3 days. The awards was one night. We accommodated, took care of him for 3 days because we are accommodating everyone. And with regards to Bollywood, what all industries you mentioned, ma'am? Bollywood?
All the industries except
Yeah, one
Kannada
second. Bollywood was never part of SIMA. Second point. Tamil, Malayalam awards are on a separate day and not on a Kannada day. So I would like to explain it to you clearly how SIMA operates. SIMA operates on 2 days. Day 1 would be Telugu and Kannada. Day 2 would be Tamil and Malayalam. So that each industry gets equal importance. The first row seats are blocked for equal seats for Telugu, equal seats for Kannada. Every award, best cinematographer, Telugu will be given, Kannada will be given. Next, best music director, Telugu will be given, Kannada will be given. I think you are misguided because Kannada awards are not given at last. In SIMA, every award category is distributed equally. One award category will be given for Telugu, one award category for Kannada. So there is no discrimination. And in terms of support, people say that I'm partial towards Kannada industry because most of the actors here are my friends. So there's nothing that we discriminate, and Bangalore has been our core supporters from the beginning. So if there is any further doubt about the operations, I will share the event flow also, or if you have seen the event on television or on digital, you would know how exactly it is done.
No, sir. I'm very clear. This is not an argument. I'm just clearing you that Dunya Vijay sir has stated this on.
Yes, ma'am. Dunya Vijay sir stated that because he was disappointed with the category award that he got. He was up. I don't want to mention some things that happened backdoor because of the respect I have for Dunya Vijay sir. I personally spoke to him and he was very good with me, and we spent 2 days more after the awards. So I don't want to mention. Please go back and check who got the Popular Award last year and who got the Critic Award last year. Then you will know the answer for it.
Fine, so this time how commercial